I love him.
Amber Heard says she still has love for Johnny Depp after a jury found her liable for defamation in the highly publicized case brought against her by her ex-husband.
I loved him with all my heart. And I tried the best I could to make a deeply broken relationship work. And I couldn't. I have no bad feelings or ill will towards him at all. I know that might be hard to understand, or it might be really easy to understand. If you've just ever loved anyone, it should be easy.
In her first interview since the trial, the Aquaman actress opened up to today's Savannah Guthrie about the high-profile case.
When you wrote this op-ed, it was the height of Me Too. Legions of powerful men being canceled, losing their jobs. Did you want that to happen to Johnny Depp?
Of course not. Of course not. It wasn't about him.
On June 1st, Amber was found liable for defamation after a 7-person Virginia jury unanimously sided with her ex-husband's claims that she had defamed him in her 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post. But in the new sit-down, she claimed she never lied about the abuse allegations she made.
I took for granted what I assumed was my right to speak.
Do you feel like you could be sued again by him for defamation?
I'm scared that no matter what I do, no matter what I say or how I say it, every step that I take will present another opportunity for this sort of silencing, which is what I guess a defamation lawsuit is meant to do. It's meant to take your voice.
Although she admitted to loving him still, she also revealed that she feels humiliated by the trial.
I know he promised it. I testified to this. I'm not a good victim, I get it. I'm not a likable victim. I'm not a perfect victim. But when I testified, I asked the jury to just see me as human and hear his own words, which is a promise to do this. It feels as though he has.
In 2016, Amber filed for a restraining order against Johnny after a reported fight.
An employee of TMZ testified at court and said that TMZ was tipped off about when you were going to be going to the courthouse and on what side of your face bruises would be apparent. Did you tip off TMZ?
I was going to say, he certainly didn't get tipped off by me or anyone in my...
Did anyone you know tip off TMZ?
Why would they? No.
You asked no one to do that?
As I testified to before, it had nothing to do with me.
During the candid conversation, which will air in full on Dateline on Friday, Amber explained why she chose not to cooperate with police when the alleged incident happened.
As I've testified before, and I will stand by until my dying day, I didn't want to cooperate with them. I didn't want this to be out. I didn't want this to be known. I didn't want to cooperate with them because I didn't want this to be... I didn't want to get him in trouble.
Now that the trial is over, she says she is going to focus on raising her daughter.
I get to be a mom, like, full time, you know, where I'm not having to juggle calls with lawyers.
One day you may want to tell your daughter about this or have to tell your daughter about everything that you've gone through. What would you want to say?
I think no matter what, it will mean something. I did the right thing. I did everything I could to stand up for myself and the truth.
Access Hollywood reached out to Johnny's team for comment regarding the new interview. Following the verdict, the Pirates of the Caribbean star issued a lengthy statement that read in part, "I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media."